it's MK, and I am back with another Kit Conspiracy layout for you guys today. And today I am going to be working with this super fun photo of a friend of mine that found a rack from another friend of mine, and she posted it on her story, which was nice because I was able to get a screenshot real quick before it disappeared. So also, I picked out all of the yellow and orangey bits from this collection because it's a little bee that she found, and it's a car charm is what it's called. And my girlfriend cuts these out, paints them, packages them all up, makes them into cute little gifties, and leaves them all over Spring Creek and Elko. So it's super cute, super fun when somebody gets to find these. But I felt really excited when one of my friends found another one of my friends' little goodies. So I'm sharing with you guys what I have. I'm going to be using this elongated scallop and as well as this really pretty orange. And I love the fact that it's not bright orange. And when I add the really orange embellishments, they pop off the page and don't compete with the background. So the first thing I'm going to do is trim down my photo. I decided to leave in all of the, social media frames, I don't know what they're called, you guys, because then I can incorporate my embellishments around the photo and on top of the photo and whatnot. So that was my plan. I also planned on fussy cutting out all of these little scallops. So that is what I am going to be doing. But don't worry, I don't make you watch me cut out every single one of these. So I really wanted to create a scallopy layout that I don't normally do this type of layout, but I really wanted to step outside of my box and just have fun and play with this type of collection and whatnot. And so this is the first thing that I thought was to take these elongated scallops and smush them together and make them a little bit more shorter and whatnot. But I still don't have a game plan. I really don't. I knew exactly what I wanted to do was to smush all these scallops together, but how did I want them to look? Like, I know I don't want them to be at the bottom of my page. I know, because that would be very heavy. I just wasn't sure. So because my cutting was not perfect, I'm going to go ahead and use my edge distressor to distress the edges of the little scallops and make it look intentional that I did not want my, oh my goodness, I didn't want them to look wonky. And now that everything is all scuffed up, my cutting doesn't show as much that I didn't make perfect cuts. Oh my gosh, that's what I was trying to say. Then I decided that I wanted a little lift on all of my scallops. So I'm going to go through and I'm going to put this foam on top of every single one of the scallops. So now I have a little bit of dimension in my layout. And I also created a bunch of layers in order to tuck and weave things in. Still not having a clue what I'm going to do, but I decided off chance I'm going to go ahead and see what they look like on the side. I didn't want them at the bottom because they were going to be too heavy. I don't want them to be at the top because then again, it was going to look too heavy. So why not put them on the side and then actually split them apart? Have some of them on the left and some of them on the right. Again, I'm still just playing. I'm still just trying to figure it out. I didn't want to cut all of my all of my roundy bits off, my pointy bits, because I wasn't sure still what I don't even know what I'm doing, you guys, in all honesty. You're playing along with me every little bit of the way, because I didn't know. I just knew I wanted to step out of my box and try something different, something new for me, because I didn't want to just put another piece of or another photo on a paper with layers, right? I just wanted to try something fun. And this layout was so encouraging that my friends from two different aspects of life, I should say, they don't know each other, but they know each other. They know of each other because of me, right? And so I definitely thought that it was super fun that they connected like this. Granted, she doesn't call her every day and talk to her and they became friends, but it was just super fun because my girlfriend that actually found the bee was struggling in life. Like it just seemed like every little bit of her life was going downhill. And then she finds this bee, and it was on a break that she was taking from her job. And I mean, it was just the perfect timing, per se, for this little rack. And it filled me up, you guys. It really did. It was, my girlfriend that placed the rack down had no clue who was going to find it. She just knew that she wants somebody. The little letter that she's holding up kind of explains that you're more than welcome to take this. It is not lost. It is actually looking to be found. All these cute little things just to let her, whoever found it, or the founder, know that you're not stealing this, or it didn't accidentally drop into, out of my bag or anything like that. It was intentionally left for the right person to find it. And it just fills me up to know that my girlfriend here is the one that found it, because of the fact that all the hard times that she was going through at the time. And I mean, it was perfect. And as soon as I saw her story, I called my other girlfriend and I was like, you'll never believe who found your bee. And it was just so fun. And my girlfriend was so thrilled that she made her day. And I mean, it made everybody's connection and stuff. And so I took the screenshot and shared it with my friend. And now I'm scrapbooking the screenshot because of the fact that, I want my friends to know what they do for each other, even though they don't know each other. It is just so fun. So I'm going to write a little blurb about how my friend enjoys doing this. My one friend that leaves the bee really, truly enjoys doing this. And it just really was awesome that she connected with another one of my friends. And so, yes, it was just amazing. I don't know, you guys. I keep saying the same thing over again because it makes my heart happy. And so that is my layout for you guys. I really do love all of the bright colors with the soft background. I really like how everything just pops up off the page. I was super happy with, my scallops and how it ended up, turning out. I mean, it just is a totally different layout for me, and I enjoyed it and had fun with it. And I don't know, maybe I'm turning over a new leaf, but I doubt it. I'll go back to grungy next month. All right, you guys, don't forget to check out Janet Fritz's channel here on YouTube, who is Galaxy Girl Creations. She is my partner in this series, Kit Conspiracy, where we take the same exact kit. We use one kit a week and we play with it to give you guys lots of inspiration and ideas on how to use your product. That's basically all there is to Kit Conspiracy. But what we find enjoyable is that Janet and I use the exact same products, but it's not the exact same products every day. Like, we didn't pre-plan our page kits using the same stuff and then show you guys how different our techniques are. But what is interesting is that sometimes we do end up picking the same stuff to use throughout the week, right? She might not use it on the same day, but we paired together the same stuff, which just thrills me every time. All right, you guys, that is it for me today. Thank you so very much, and I will check you guys all later. Bye.